Be a part of the Air Force Association's Air and Space Conference and Technology Exposition in Washington, D.C., September 15th through the 17th, 2008. A one-of-a-kind event where Air Force Association brings together Air Force leadership, industry experts, academia, and current event specialists from around the world to discuss the issues and challenges facing America and the aerospace community today. Air and Space 2008 offers you major conference addresses, forums, and professional development workshops that focus on the challenges and accomplishments unique to the Air Force and the aerospace community. The Air and Space Conference and Technology Exposition 2008 is your opportunity to network with colleagues, Air Force leadership, guest speakers, and professionals and pioneers from the private sector. Nowhere else will you find more than 100 of the most exciting aerospace exhibitors assembled to display and demonstrate the latest breakthroughs in air and space technology. Be a part of AFA's premier national forum for aerospace professionals. Air and Space Conference and Technology Exposition in Washington, D.C., September 15th through the 17th, 2008. For conference and exposition details and registration, go to afa.org.